indoor adventure awaits at RoKC. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, sharing another one of our Kansas City favorites. And this one has something for every level of indoor climbing. From Auto-belays climbing 40 feet to bouldering 10 to 15 feet walls, or even bouldering in the cave. They also have youth day camps and climbing teams. Now, don't let equipment hold you back. If you don't have climbing equipment, they have it all available for rent and even training classes as well. Think this might be a fun group experience? There are private rooms for groups, parties, and even team building. Let's take a look inside at some of the adventures we had, and it was a blast. Comment below on your next Kansas City adventure, and if moving this direction to take in Kansas City 24/7 is one of your 2022 goals, text or call today to learn more about Kansas City's wonderful neighborhoods for your next place to call home. In the meantime, cheers to your next adventure.